Hey ladies, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Sephora Visual Artist or try on. Sephora Visual Artist uses augmented reality or AR in the Sephora application to let you try on thousands of makeup products, including lipstick, eyeshadow, and false lashes directly on your face. It maps your facial features to show accurate colors and finishes, allows for side-by-side product comparisons, and provides virtual tutorials. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open the Sephora application, search for the product you are interested in, and click on the virtual artist or try on button. And once you simply go ahead and click on the try on button, grant the camera access, allowing the tool to scan your face, detecting eyes, lips, and cheeks, and then select a different shade, color, and brands to see them apply to your face in real time. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.